So here I have my cosmos, my summer flower, and on purpose I have made it grow really long and leggy because it was searching for the light in the greenhouse. But I want to show you some great tips how you can improve this cosmos, because right now it looks really leggy and not so pretty. So the first thing I do, I kind of just find one here. You can use your fingers or just this little popsicle stick here. You can find two here, tell them apart here slowly without disturbing the roots too much. So here I have, I'll take these, there's three here, and they are very long and leggy, not pretty looking. So what I do, I add a little soil in a pot here and add them down here. And then I will plant them deeper, because then they are not so long and leggy. So you can kind of cover your problem here, the issue with the leggy cosmos. So there we go, we push it down, and already now it looks so much nicer. So then the next step is I will remove the top here. I will pinch them either with your fingertips here, and so it's after the first set of leaves, I will just remove the top here on all of them. There we go. And then they will start to produce side shoots, and you will have an even bushier and more flowers on your cosmos. And this top one here, I'm not going to throw out. I'm just going to remove this one, has a bendy one. There we go. So the top shoot here will also produce roots. So I'll just add it next to these ones, make a little hole and push it down gently here. And then I'll add it in the greenhouse where there's high humidity. I'll keep it watered. You could also add a plastic bag with a hole in the top to really keep it this greenhouse effect, this humid climate for it. And then it will produce shoots, and you have a bunch of new, very bushy cosmos for the summer.